Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about Hollywood hair glam trends. For a Hollywood glam hair look, you can go for big voluminous waves or sleek polished curls. Consider adding some shine spray for that extra luxurious touch. Don't forget to tease the crown of your head slightly for added volume and drama. And of course, a classic deep side part can really elevate the glam factor. Some Hollywood glam hair trends include sleek straight styles with a deep side part, voluminous curls with lots of shine, and retro-inspired waves for a touch of old Hollywood glamour. You can also try adding hair accessories like sparkly clips or elegant headbands to elevate your look even more. So viewers, let's end the video here. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming video notification from me. Thank you.